welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a recipe for pasta salad. Since the summer is here, you know it's hot outside and you need something to cool you down. So this will be perfect for that barbecue table. To get started, here I'll be using some tricolor rotini noodles. You can use whatever kind of noodles you like, but these are superb for this recipe. Here I have some creamy Italian dressing as well as zesty Italian dressing and some ranch. I will be using some cucumbers, tomatoes, shredded carrots. I have bell peppers, parsley, onions. I'll be using garlic and onion powder, some seasoned salt, black pepper. I have Parmesan cheese, some honey, and apple cider vinegar. So the first thing you want to do is boil that pasta. We'll be adding some salt to the water because you always want to make sure your pasta has taste before you actually make the salad. So we'll add the pasta in there, give it a good stir and boil until tender. Now let's create our dressing by adding all of our condiments. That's our wet ingredients as well as our seasonings. We'll save the vegetables for last. Now you can use whatever dressing you like here. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. These are the ones I like to use in my pasta salad because it adds a nice tangy creaminess and it's absolutely delicious. Usually I would use Olive Garden, but I was out of that one. So yeah, these are the three that I'm using today. And we will mix the combine and set aside. Once the pasta is done boiling, you want to allow it to cool down before you move on with the next step. So here I'll be adding my vegetables. You'll add all the vegetables, then we'll add that dressing here, give it a good mix. And that's it, guys. Super simple and easy. Also, you can add whatever cheese you like to this recipe. It doesn't have to be Parmesan, but Parmesan adds that nice saltiness and it's more flavorful. So I like using that. Once everything is mixed well, that's it. You can put this into your serving dish and sit it in the fridge until you're ready to serve. And what I did was went over the top with just a little bit of this, just for presentation purposes. And that's what you're seeing right there. So yeah, that's it, guys. Super simple and easy pasta salad. It's absolutely delicious and your entire family will enjoy this. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.